All right, looks like we have a caller from New Jersey. His name is Jeff. Jeff, are you there?
Yes, I am. How are you?
I am doing fantastic. What's up, Jeff from New Jersey? How can I help you?
I run a law firm, and I just think about security. How do I know what I even have, and who could tell me what I should have?
That's a fantastic question. And I have one question just to kick back at you real quick. Do you know if you have any certain compliance that you have to worry about just based on who you deal with or what industries you work for?
It's minimal, but basically I just want to make sure that we're not hacked and that all the communications are secure.
Okay. So you know what? It's cool because you have a good opportunity. And that's like, it's almost like a green field. You're not sure what you have, but you definitely know you want to do something. So the first thing you do is you step back and you find somebody that can help you. So you want to find a cybersecurity expert. And so I happen to know you're in New Jersey. So you're going to look, you could look online. You can obviously talk to other people that you know that have law firms. You can find out who they're using, but you want to make sure you find a good trusted advisor. And then when they come in, you want to make sure the first thing they do is they do a full risk assessment. So that is how you're going to find out what you have in place. Like you might have some monitoring in place. You might have some antivirus in place. Once you find out what's in place, then they're going to tell you what's missing. They're probably going to have you do a couple of tests, like a penetration test, a vulnerability assessment, and they're going to get like a real good assessment of what's happening. Then they're going to present you with a remediation plan, and they're going to say, look, here's where all the gaps are, and here's what you need to do. And they're also going to say to you, do you have a budget for this? So that's something you got to think about, how much do you want to spend? And I know that you don't really know because you haven't been presented with what needs to be done yet, but once you get that budget, then you're going to turn to them and say, okay, do you actually solve these problems or do you just give the advice? So if they happen to be a full service firm, they'll be able to put everything in place for you. And I would take it one step further. You probably should be proactive, reach out to your insurance company and say, hey, you know what? Is there anything in particular that I need to worry about with you guys that you're going to ask me for while I'm going through this so I can get, kill two birds with one stone? It might seem annoying, like multi-factor authentication, when you got to put like a 6-digit code in to access your email. It might seem annoying, but the thing is when you put those things in place, if you're really worried about being hacked or having a breach, which you should be, these are small steps to take. These are important things to put in place, because if you, especially as a lawyer, you get hacked and your clients find out about it, you're gonna have a problem.
It would be devastating.
They're gonna be devastated because now they're gonna be like, well, what about our case files? What about our information?
That's really what I've been thinking about. So that's
right.
Great advice, and I appreciate the advice. Take care.
All right. Have a good night. If you want to find out more about how we can help you with your IT, with your technology, with your cybersecurity, click the link down below, schedule a free consultation. We'd love to speak with you.